barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us. I'm hanging out with Justin from Baby Back Maniac. If you're not familiar with his channel, please show him some love. Subscribe to his channel up here in the corner. Appreciate you having me over, Justin.
I appreciate you coming over.
And thanks for wearing my shirt, man.
Oh yeah, T-Roy Cooks merch. Y'all go check it out.
Links down below in the description.
Absolutely.
Hey, we've got this pork belly right here. Everybody loves bacon, right?
Bacon.
This is some healthy bacon, Justin.
It's all natural.
All natural.
So it'll make you healthier.
We're gonna cube this up and show you how we do some pork belly burn-ins. And I like to cube it up first so that you get a little bit more bark all around it instead of cooking it and then cubing it later. I really like bark, man. How about you?
Oh, I do, and I've never done pork belly burn-ins.
Oh, that's
I'm
right.
Stoked. This is awesome.
It's gonna be fun. Hey, what are we cooking on today?
We are cooking on the Lone Star Grillz, 24 by 48 offset.
It's a beast, man.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Oh, and we're not cooking in the main chamber either. We're cooking in your...
We're gonna cook in the warming oven.
Okay.
Yeah, is that what we decided?
Yeah, we're gonna cook in the warming oven. We'll show that to you here in a second. Looking forward to it. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how we cube this up real quick and what rubs we're gonna put on it. All right, I'm gonna cut this into cubes, and it's real simple, y'all. Y'all wanna go, about a knuckle to your main, about half of a finger length there. And this is gonna shrink, so make your cubes larger than you really think you want them. But we're just going through and slicing this into big thick slices like this. There we go. Alright, so we got that right there. Now I'm gonna take and slice the rest of these the same way. But then you take and just cube this, make it a nice square, okay? That's all we're doing. And again, these are going to be a lot smaller once they are cooked, so that's all we're doing, folks. And I'm going to go ahead and cube up the rest of these, and we're going to throw them in this metal pan. We're going to season them up, and I'll show you that here next. Alright, as you can see, we got 2 pans from that 5 pounds of pork belly. Now, what I'm going to do is coat these down with a couple of different rubs. I've got this Cosmos Dirty Bird Hot, sorry. KosmosQ, man. Y'all can check them out.
Dirty what?
It's Cosmos Dirty Bird Hot.
Oh, okay.
But this stuff's great on everything, folks. Beef, chicken, pork, doesn't matter. Really, really good. We're going to go on with some of that. And the reason I'm using these KosmosQ's rubs is because Justin wouldn't let me borrow any of his rubs.
I don't remember that. I think he's lying.
I brought these from my house, so that's what we're using. I like them. They're good stuff. So we're going to coat these down pretty good, and I'm going to roll these over. Okay. And I'm also going on with the second rub, y'all. If I can open it up. I got the KosmosQ Texas Beef. We're going on with that. This is a nice mix. It's, I wouldn't call it all-purpose blend, but it's got your salt, pepper, onion, garlic. It's good stuff. We're going to go on with that. And what I'm going to do is, after I put both of these rubs on, I'm going to just toss these around a little bit. And then we're going to coat the other sides. Make sure that all of the sides are coated really good, because that's going to help us get that nice bark that we're looking for. And we'll show you putting it in the pit here in a second. Alright, we got those pork belly burn-ins all nice and rubbed down with that fine KosmosQ. I wanted to show you real quick on Justin's Lone Star Grillz. This is the, again, 24-inch by 48-inch pit. He's got this warming oven. Comes with 3 racks. We took the top rack out because we're going to sit the pork belly burn-ins here, and we're going to be spritzing them in a little bit. But I wanted to show you inside here, we've got 2 hooks in here that you can hang sausages and stuff with, and they've got a vent on each side on the top here. This thing, it's actually, you can adjust the heat on vents down here as well. Is that right, Justin?
Yeah, there's a little baffle plate with a little butterfly vent on it.
Yeah, kind of like these, but yeah.
Exactly.
It's under here, so this is the firebox, of course. Let's put these pork belly burn-ins in, and I wanted to show you real quick. We went ahead and just hit them on the top side with a little bit more of that Dirty Bird Hot, okay? KosmosQ. Put those back in there. There we go. We're going to let those babies sit, and since this is right over the firebox, we don't have the bottom vents open. We're just controlling the heat with these 2 side vents, but we're aiming at about 250, somewhere in that range. We'll check on it here in a little bit. Y'all stay tuned.
Okay, so this warming oven has a damper plate in between the firebox and the warming oven, and that's got a daisy wheel. I'm gonna open that up a little bit so we can get more smoke on our pork belly burn ends. And let me show you how that works. So you got to kind of pull, for us to get this on camera, I'm gonna pull this lower rack out. So right here, this is the damper plate. On Troy's pit, this would be the griddle that comes with it. That, what do they call it?
The flat plate
The
griddle?
flat plate, yeah, the flat plate griddle. So there's a handle on this. You can pull this whole thing out and cook direct if you want. I've done that before with chicken. It turned out awesome. But there's also these little butterfly plates. I'm just going to open this up a little bit, let a little bit of smoke vent through the firebox, and then it'll go out.
Cool, you can see the fire going down there.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Good times.
So that'll just let a little more smoke through, and then it'll vent out through. Oh, hi. It'll vent out through right here.
Yeah.
These side butterfly vents are on the side.
There you go.
There's one on each side too.
Cool.
So it's cool. I like that.
And why do we want smoke in there?
Because we're smoking pork belly burn-ins.
And we need a bark.
Oh yeah, we definitely need bark.
Yeah. We're looking for that bark. Smoke helps with the bark.
These are gonna be good. Did you show them the burn-ins?
No, not yet.
Oh, let's show them the burn-ins.
Oh, okay, all right, all
Just
right.
see how they're doing already.
There you go. Oh, it's looking good.
Bacon.
Oh, yeah. This has been going for about an hour and a half. And I got some cranberry pomegranate juice. Just going to spritz them. Keep them moist. Like they're not moist already. With all that nice fat marbling. There you go. Just hit them a little bit. Close the chamber. Let them keep cooking. Alright guys, these pork bellies have been on for 4.5 hours. Now, they had a lot of grease in the bottom of the pan that we originally started with. So I took and got 2 new pans. Thank you, Justin.
You're welcome.
And transferred the pork bellies into 2 new pans just to get rid of the grease, basically. I'm going on with some head country here. This is the original. Again, I forgot to bring some from home, but this is what we had in the pantry. This is what we're going to use today. What you want to do is just pour on some of this barbecue sauce, or your favorite barbecue sauce, all over the pork belly. Just like that, folks. Alright, now what we're going to do next, stir this around, get barbecue sauce all over these pork bellies. I'm going to go in with some more of this KosmosQ Dirty Bird Hot. Just kind of spruce it up just a touch. There we go. And again, we're going to go on with some KosmosQ Texas Beef. Is that what this is? Yeah, Texas Beef. Which is the same 2 rubs we started out with. Just like so. And again, I'm just going to stir them real quick. Cover it tightly with foil. And again, I'm going to do this other pan the same exact way. Pop this back on the cabinet over there again. I forget what we call it.
Lone Star Grillz.
Yeah, Lone Star. No, I remember Lone Star Grillz. I'm trying to remember the
Warming oven.
Warming oven. Yeah, thank you very much. Put it back in there at 250, 275, wherever it falls, and we'll be back. Show what it looks like in the end. All right, guys. This pork belly is done. These burn-ins are fabulous smelling, and they look terrific. I'll show them to you here in just a second. But I wanted to follow up with you, let you know what happened. We shot how many videos today?
4.
4.
We thought about 5.
Yeah.
But we didn't do the 5th.
That's right, that's
Yeah,
right. So
right.
we've got 4 videos. This is one of them. But we wanted to space out the timing of when each of the different meats were done. We did all the filming today on the Lone Star Grillz 24x48. Thanks, Justin.
You're welcome.
That's a beast of a pit.
I love
I
it.
love that pit.
Yeah.
I wish my 20-inch had the size firebox that yours does, man. That's a smoking machine.
Don't be jealous.
Hey,
You can come use it anytime you want.
thanks, man. Appreciate that. We had a blast today, but we're both very tired.
Yep.
And
I'm delirious.
pork belly's done. Yeah, so there's no telling what we're going to say.
Yeah.
Go check out Baby Back Maniac's channel for the cooks that we did today on his Lone Star Grillz. Baby Back Maniac, up here in the corner. Show him some love and check out his videos, man. Dude, he's worldwide famous, okay?
Thanks, guys. Worldwide.
But I want to tell you, I want to bring up to speed what happened last time I shut the camera off on this video for those burn-ins here. We foiled the top, you know, put the burn-ins in a pan, foiled it, and put them in a pit, all right? To space out the timing of when these were done so that they'd be done last, I went ahead and added some chicken broth. Not much, just enough to keep the barbecue sauce from burning up, okay? Tossed them around in there. And then once we were about done with the other cooks, I took the foil off of the aluminum pans, and that let the, it reduced. The chicken broth and the barbecue sauce reduced, okay? And it got to some pretty sticky consistency by the time we pulled this off. But it took me about 9 hours, okay? Usually this cook would take you probably about 4 to 6 hours. And when you start off, what I would prefer to do, I didn't want to mess up your new pit, you know? It's so clean. She's just a beautiful pit, Justin. I'm so excited for you. But I didn't want to mess it up. So what I would normally have done is, after I cubed up the pork belly when it was raw, and that's some natural pork belly, man. That's some healthy bacon.
Healthy.
Healthy bacon,
yeah,
man.
Absolutely. This is like a salad.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
You might as well. It's not green, but it very well could be. You know?
Totally.
It's good stuff.
Well, that would be bad if it was green.
Well, yeah, but you get the point.
Yeah,
there.
I mean, it's quite healthy.
Yeah.
It's superfood.
It is. It's superfood.
Yeah.
That's a good way to look at it.
Thank you. I try to make the positive spin on bacon whenever possible.
After you cube it up, put it on your grill grate and put a pan under so that it's catching the fat drippings from the burnt ends, okay? And at that point, you can let them get all crispy and stuff, and then put them in an aluminum pan, throw some barbecue sauce in there, let that get kind of reduced, and it'll get sticky and ooey gooey goodness consistency, okay?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So we're not quite there, but honestly, we're running out of time. We're both very tired. We wanted to end the video, so we're almost at the sticky point. In fact, it may be kind of sticky.
It's
there.
It's there. There's spots.
They're definitely done, okay?
Yeah.
No doubt about that. We just were trying to hold off until they were getting to the right consistency for the barbecue sauce. But they're done. I promised you a close-up. Let me bring you in. Let me show you what they look like up close.
Y'all gonna like this. All right, folks, check this out. This is insane. Look at this. Is that burgundy, that deep red burgundy, sticky, barky, amazing. This is what bacon. This is what bacon strives to be in life.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, this pork belly looks awesome. What do you think, buddy?
I think we need to give it a taste.
No, I refuse.
Yeah. All right.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's give it a taste.
Are you ready?
I'm ready to dive in, man.
Let's do it.
It's healthy.
Yeah. I mean, let the healing begin.
There you go.
Oh my gosh.
I know, right, man? Holy cow.
Ooh, this looks good. All right, here I go. It's a big bite.
Hey, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Lordy. I'll tell you what. I'm glad I added the extra rub on it. It gives it a nice pop. That rub on here is fabulous. The head country is actually really good barbecue sauce too. Man, I love that color. That's some good eating right there, man.
This is an indulgence. This is great.
Yeah, it is. This is very rich, folks, so you don't want to sit down and eat all of this in one helping.
I'm done.
You know, maybe 4 or 5, you know, if you're a big old boy.
I think, I honestly, this is so... Sorry. This is so rich. I think I could get 2 of those down, and then I'd be done.
Me too.
Maybe if you cut it with crackers or something.
Oh, yeah.
But,
That's a good idea.
Yeah, but that's... it's really good. It's like chocolate. It's like a really rich chocolate.
Yeah, it is.
There's just so much.
It is. There's a lot of flavor going on there, and that bacon fat just rendered within the meat, man, is just you don't really taste fat at all. You know, it's kind of weird. It's kind of strange that way, but that's why they call this pig candy, man.
Yeah.
Again, you get that nice ooey, gooey, sticky goodness and nice bark, nice flavor throughout. It would melt in your mouth, folks. This is some good eating.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. This is good. I've never had this before, and it lived up to the hype.
This is your first time?
Yeah, totally.
Awesome.
Yeah. I mean, I've made it with beef.
Yeah, beef burn-ins.
Yeah, all the time, but not. This is good. But again, it is more like a candy.
Glad you enjoyed it. So you gonna do it again?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Cool.
Yeah. I mean, I walk every time I go to Costco. I walk by that.
Pork belly?
Those pork bellies, and I'm like, what would I do with that? You know? Well, now I know.
Yeah, now you know. I'm glad I could help you out.
And it's healthy.
Keep saying that. Maybe somebody will believe it. It was all natural.
completely natural.
All natural. If you didn't know, all natural actually has better flavor, in my opinion, than your regular run-of-the-mill pork belly. Okay. Same thing with pork chops and whatnot too. Any kind of pork, if it's all natural.
Totally natural. This pig was not. This pig was an all natural athlete. He wasn't on steroids or
no hormones. No.
This is not a Barry Bonds pig.
Yeah. Right.
Was that a dated reference?
It ate salad all the
I
time.
think that was. Yeah.
Right?
It did. Yeah.
All right.
He went to yoga. Like us, we got to go to yoga after
I
this.
love you, man. It cracks me up, man. Again, Baby Back Maniac. Check him out up here. We're going to go eat, all right? I appreciate y'all sticking around. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks again, Justin, for joining me today.
Absolutely. Thanks
Had
for
a
coming
blast. Look, I can't wait to see you again. All right?
I know, we got to do this again.
I know, we got to do it again soon, man. If y'all like this, though, y'all give me some thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think about it. If you tried it, let me hear your version of it. How you do it, okay? And
tell all your
I got
friends.
nothing else, yeah.
Yeah, tell your friends that T. Roy cooks
responsibly. Cheers, everybody.